Black Sea Pide with minced beef. Add the flour to a mixing bowl and stir in 1 dessertspoon of salt. Use your hand to make a well in the centre of the mixture and add the pack of instant powdered yeast. Gradually add up to 120 millilitres of warm water, slowly mixing in the surrounding flour. Knead the dough thoroughly in the bowl until it becomes firm. Turn out onto a floured work surface and continue to knead with the palm of your hand until you get a nice consistency. Cover with a damp cloth and leave to rest for 30 minutes. To prepare the filling, finely dice the onions. Remove the seeds and thinly slice into semicircles. Skin and dice the tomato. Heat 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a wide flat bottom pan. Add the beef mince and sauté over medium heat until the juices have reduced and the meat has browned. Add the chopped onions and continue cooking until they have turned a golden colour. Then add the sliced green peppers, along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and the chopped tomatoes. Continue cooking on medium heat for another 5 minutes until the juices have reduced. When the dough has sufficiently risen, use a knife to cut into 6 equal pieces. Flour a work surface and roll out each piece to a length of 20 to 25 centimetres. Spread a line of baked filling lengthways down the middle of each piece of pastry. Bring the bare edges of dough together over the filling and press down with your fingers to seal the pide. Use a spatula to lift each pastry onto a baking tray, leaving a space between each one. Brush the whisked egg yolk over the surface of each pastry. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 190 degrees centigrade. Slice and serve.